So this video will be about troubleshooting DNS issues. First of all, the first thing that we will verify right now is we can go and see on the specific edges if the settings and DNS is actually configured, or actually DNS relay. And we see DNS configuration here, and we can see the servers that are configured. And we can see here that it's up as well. So if I SSH into that edge, we can do show service DNS, how surprising, and you can see DNS is running. So we can also view the cache, show service DNS and cache, and there we can see the current cache that it basically built from previous requests, which is none, because or probably it timed out, and the cache got resolved itself. But we can do a few tests, of course. We can do a show configuration DNS, where we can see the DNS part. We can see the IP addresses that it's listening on. We can see the forwarders, and that the cache size is 16 megabytes, and that I have no zones configured here. So this is only acting as a relay. What you can also do when we need to go to enable mode, we can clear the DNS cache. Okay, it's already cleared, so I can do whatever I want. And disable again, and then we can view the DNS cache again. Right now you can see that the cache is dumped. So we can make a few requests. Let me see if I have a machine available that's still working. So right now this machine here was a nice example. And let me see if I have some other commands. Let me do it. Cannot resolve at the moment, and that's because, let me see if I can ping. So this one has an IP address 16.16.10. Let me do some troubleshooting here. Where is it connected to? Not sure. Probably it's connected to my LDR. And my LDR to app 16.16.253. So let's see if I can ping my default gateway. Ping -C4 172.16.16.253, and I am able to ping my default gateway. So that means that I think I need to have a net rule for that 16.16 network. Let me see if I have that. Well, let me see if the relay is working correctly. Well, relay, of course, the relay is for DHCP, so it already has an IP address. That means that the DHCP relay was working correctly. I need to go to this edge here and go to net. And here you will see a few net rules, and I want to make sure that it's netted to, so that the original IP address here, 16.16.14, let me change this one here. and it had the IP address of 10, right? So let me change that to this one here. So that was fun, and let me see if I'm able to do an NS lookup right now. I can't. Why is that? Could be more/ads/resolve.conf. Let me see what my name server is, at least the gateway or the Edge service gateway. So we know that it's using the correct IP address for the name server. So in order that the ESG can resolve it, I'm going to do a reboot of the server. If we can check out the this one is should do it. 10.10.105.20. Is that a valid IP address? I think it is, but we can always verify. Ten 105.20. I'm going to do a quick check. I'm going to pause the video right now. And I'm going to do a quick check to see if the rest of my network, so if my firewall and my other physical devices are routing this network correctly, and then if the netting goes correct. So that goes correctly right now, and if I do a NS lookup, it still cannot resolve the www.v. Oh, of course, made a mistake here. So it can resolve VMware.com, and if we go to the ESG, then let me view the cache, and it will show up the cache of the root servers and the VMware.